To fix the DirectX error on the Battlefield 6 game, you need to go to your browser, and here you need to type DirectX download. And once you will go here, you can see this is the website microsoft.com, and this DirectX End-User Runtime web installer. So go to there, and here you can click on this download button, and it will start downloading the DirectX. So just open this file and just simply install it. Just click on yes button and just click on accept, next, uncheck this, next, and now it will download the DirectX components, and then it will install all those components. So it's a very important part for all the games, so make sure to have it installed. So you can see it's showing the download size, and just click on next button, and here you can see it's downloading the files and everything. Okay, once it's installed, then you can click on this finish button, and all the DirectX errors that you are getting will be resolved now.